Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. I want to do a little review on the TOWA Edge Protector. This is a system that has worked really good for us. You have your two lines running through the two individual slots. We have a lanyard attached to the TOWA here. The yellow comes back, is hooked up to our safety so it cannot go over the edge. The benefit that we see with this TOWA Edge Protector, the pressure of the ropes, applying that pressure straight downward, keeps that edge protector in place. You can see I can take this rope here, yank it sideways. That edge protector is not going anywhere. Coming from a complete side angle, 15-degree angle over this way, that's not allowing that edge protector to move. Once we remove both ropes off of the edge protector, easily moves off. So it's the rubber padding on the back side. When pressed against the surface of the parapet wall, with the weight of the ropes in place, allows this. I can try to make this slide to the side, and I can't even get it to slide using all my weight. Great positioning device, protects the ropes, keeps them in place right where you want them. Great edge protection. That's the TOWA, T-O-W-A Edge Protector. Great deal, right around $70. Harry Falk, Window Cleaning Supplies.